Well, greetings Turra Firma Guitar viewers. This is a bit of a different one tonight. It's a DIY video. It's actually about the softbox that is lighting my face here in this video. Yeah, this softbox. We're going to make it for 18 cents and you can too. If you want to learn how to make a softbox to improve the lighting in your videos, stick around. It's only going to cost 18 cents. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use this box. Now, the other thing that some of these soft lights have is they've got what's called barn doors. And look, for God's sake, we've got a barn door here on this carton that's absolutely free. I'm just going to stick some paper across the front of this and just cut a circular hole in the back here. So let's give that a go. Happy days. And just get that going round. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use our coffee cup here to make a smaller circle inside. And there's method to my madness, you'll see that in a second. We don't want a really heavy cardboard box because the light's going to have to support it. We're going to cut like this around, so it's going to kind of slot on, and then we'll just put some tape on it. We call it a Stanley knife here in Australia, but I'm not going to commit a terrorist act with this. I'm just going to use it to cut a piece of cardboard. You should see the cost of lights. If you want to upgrade from the LED, you're looking at $1,000 for these spotlights. But look what we can do here. Just so cheap. Just putting these grooves in. How many do we need to make a nice curve? Let's just put more. Yeah, so I always suggest have a go. People say, oh, I'm not handy, whatever. But just have a go at it. There we go. Look at that, so professional. Fold those back. We're just going to pop the lamp through. So now, where's our lamp? We just got to wangle this through. Winkle it through. Winkle, not wangle. Oh, look at that. This is not going to spin around here, is it? Maybe it is. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, here I'm going to try and get the tape around it. You know, I'm a cheapskate, right? I'm going to say this cost 18 cents. It's a bit of tape. The box is free. I mean, how much is that? Like just a couple of feet of this? It's damn cheap. But I reckon you should lash out and just buy more expensive tape because this is hellishly hard to use. Get that on like that. And wrap it around like so. Look at that, guys. I spend a lot of the time just lying on the couch on my phone. As we all do. So it's really rewarding to just spring into action, you know, every now and again. And sometimes if you overthink things, you just never get them done. So this is fun. And it's good to be able to do things badly as well. It's really important to just want to do them bad, because then you're more likely you're going to do them. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just trimming off the flaps in the box, like so. Can't believe I didn't do this the first time. Look at that. I bake cakes in my spare time as well when I'm not making guitar videos, so I had this to hand. So in a way you could say this is free, technically. Well, not technically, effectively, it's free. This is a channel for budget conscious people. I love picking things up off the side of the road. One of my most popular videos is the one where I make the guitar cabinet. Please check that one out. Let's flip this one up. It's also like wrapping presents. I only like doing that as well. I'm a Virgo. So once again, don't let perfectionism stymie your impulses. It's like the thing they did in Google when they made the Google Glass. They just made it out of wire. You know what I mean? It's just the same ethos that we're bringing to this project here. This could turn into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. And you're seeing the prototype. We could disrupt the film industry, or certainly the lighting industry, through our shenanigans. Okay, that'll do. One of my friends is a movie director. He's produced TV and movies. So I might hit him up and talk turkey. Getting the barn doors on. So this will help channel the light. Part of the theories of lighting is You've got to make it fake so it's natural. You don't use natural, but you fake it so it looks natural. It's just a paradox. Okay, there it is. I think that's infinitely superior. So here's Mark 1. So I'd say it's twice as big, and it's got the barn doors. There she blows. So here's the room without the soft light during the day. And you can see here on the right, on my left, I've got a window with a little bit of light. And on this side, I've got a door open with that light. And there's my face. And I've got the Canon camera. And here it is with the soft light on. It's very yellow, actually. But you can see how it's illuminating my face. And here's the softbox on at night with the lamp at the back. Look, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a go at making your own softbox. If you're just starting out and you're making videos with your phone, if you get some light on your face, it seems to be the way to go. You can do a big deep dive. There's 1,000,001 YouTubers, the OGs, who do stuff on cameras and lighting. Hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video.